Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about General Electric. So here this is just a I would say a recalling video, because I have spoken about the long term trend couple of months back, and at that time it was actually trading at in between $4 and $5, or probably at the lowest end of the range, which is near to this level. Okay, and since then the stock has already moved 50%. Now this is not my concern that 50% is indeed a big move, but this is not at all my concern. You can probably check out my previous videos on its long term trend, where I have spoken about the overall trend where the stock has moved from 1980 till 2000, 20 years of upside, where the stock has given 6000%, and after that the stock has been in a consolidation for last 20 years. If you are looking at the overall trend, obviously if you are looking the stock after 2000, so obviously it's a downtrending chart, but in the context of 40 years of chart, it is actually in a consolidation, and probably the consolidation has over for the time being. And if you understand long term trends, you can see that there is a big uptrend which has already been started. What you need to do, you need to follow the trend. That's it. So I have explained this thing couple of months back, and I am explaining this thing, or a rewind of previous trend, or a reconfirmation right now. So on the lower end of the range we have our fixed support, or big support, which will be at, or if you want a range, I would say, which will be in between 5.64 and here, which will be in between 5.64 and 6.48. okay, and now your next big target, because we are looking at a monthly chart, your next big target or resistance will be in between 13.67 and $14.2. okay, so these are the two things, or these are the two levels which one need to know at first instance. Now if you just observe the trend, you could probably see that if the stocks are successfully crossed above and sustain above 14.2, or probably you can say $14.5, then the next target, okay, so the next target or resistance for this stock will be in between $24, in between $24 and $28. So this will be the big resistance. But the target, or big target, which one should look for in this stock will be its previous high of 2000, which is $60 on the upside. Obviously there are lots of resistance or lots of levels which one need to look at, but if it is indeed a reversal of the trend, and obviously we are at a start of a big trend on the upside, even inside a range. Although we are not going to go above $60, but if you are considering this range from 5.5 till 60, so it's a 994, obviously a 10 bagger stock, or 1000% of return is in the kitty. So that's the big trend which you need to look at, and you can probably check my previous video. As I've told you, I have said it couple of months back, and I'm saying it right now, and probably you are looking for a reason. That's up to you. You will find a positive, negative, neutral, whatever reason you want to do. What I am looking at, because at the end I am looking at a price, and that's what I am interested in. So what I need to do, just place my stop losses at an appropriate level and follow the trend. If the trend is what I am thinking right now, and if it will move in the same direction in the next couple of years, then obviously what I am thinking is going to happen. That's it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.